answer. Do you think I'm a rude person?
I think you're a good person.
I'm a rude person. When I've said something about the apologizing, I meant it. I don't take it back.
We're not actually. Are we dating? We're not dating.
You're talking.
We're just there.
So guys, let me start with Shaun and WANNI. So Kayode did not show us where Shaun apologized to WANNI. This Kayode, I don't understand the game. No. Meanwhile, I think Shaun actually said to WANNI that she's rude. So WANNI now decided to run some kind of questionnaire, or let me say survey, to know whether she's rude. The funny thing is that Kelly actually told her bluntly that yes, she is. Why Cassia was like objectively. But I mean, I think that was an opportunity for Cassia to air out her mind, because she has been holding a lot about WANNI lately, especially for the meat part. So I was expecting her to just say up her mind, but she chose to keep it, which is exactly the problem people that have with these housemates. They will have issues with somebody, they'll just keep it in their mind without complaining. But maybe Parrot will still talk about that Cassia and Victoria's conversation as per the meat thing. Maybe with that she can be able to open up to her WANNI and tell her mind. Do you get? So Shaun was like, I apologize to you, but I don't think the apology was sitting well with WANNI, because WANNI was like, she felt that the apology is in the tip of his mouth, just to come and say sorry. But she's not taking back her own apology because she actually meant it and she loves him. She's just getting to know him. Do you understand? So I was like, okay, there is love in the air, there's butterflies in WANNI's stomach because of Shaun. But WANNI is getting the vibe that this guy doesn't. I feel like she actually knows that this guy is using her to play the game, and she's just playing along with it. Do you understand? She knows what she's doing. And that's the way I just wanted my mind to think about it. Shaun is actually trying to use her to play the game, and she knows, and she's dancing to the tune. Do you get me? And then using Shaun at the same time without Shaun knowing. So that's that about WANNI and Shaun. Can we even talk about Nelly and SOOj? And obviously, even without being told, these guys are playing the game. I don't think there is anything love within that relationship. Okay, SOOj might take it a little bit far with the relationship thing, but I don't think Nelly is interested. I think they are all both using themselves, and I think the only thing SOOj is keeping quiet for this situation is just to keep up that ship, to make it, maybe give the viewers what they really want to see. Yeah, as long as the ship is floating, and also, just like I keep saying, being in a confined space, and then you want to look for somebody that you be always, that will be a company to you in that house, spending while you go or stay in the house. So that's what I'm seeing among these two. There is no way relationship is going out, even though Nelly liked the guy. Do you understand? But I don't think she wants to do anything with him on national TV, apart from all this thing back and forth they are going all the time. So from her conversation, she clearly told SOOj yesterday that she's tired and done with the whole shipping thing. That she also told Big, while SOOj was now trying to ask her to know what exactly she told Big, and she's now claiming that she has amnesia, that she can't remember what she told him. It might be true. Only her knows whether she remembered or not, but she's just doing the same thing, just like her Anita, her friend. Me, I don't tire. So guys, this is what I brought for you, and if you're new here, please kindly hit the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.